If you are still using manual or semi-electric stackers, you must be troubled by heavy labor, low efficiency and frequent maintenance. Switch to our fully electric stacker and completely free your workforce. No more manual pushing or hand cranked lifting. All operations can be done with one-button control. Its maintenance-free design eliminates frequent repairs and reduces downtime losses. Equipped with regenerative braking and energy-saving motors, it greatly lowers energy costs. In addition, it has a low operating threshold and requires no professional skills. It easily doubles work efficiency, allowing you to recover your equipment investment in a short period.